Start with a slip knot. And chain 42. Next round, one single crochet in the second chain from the hook, this one, and one single crochet in each and every stitch. Once you reach the end, chain 2 and turn your work. Next round, skip the first 2 stitches, this one, and in this stitch make one single crochet, one double crochet cluster in the same stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, pull through first 2 loops, do this 2 more times. Four loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the loops. Usually to finish a double crochet cluster you would chain 1 over here, but here do not finish the stitch with the chain 1. Now skip 2 stitches and in the next stitch, that is the third stitch, repeat the same. One single crochet, one double crochet cluster in the same stitch, four loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the loops, but do not finish this stitch with the chain 1. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. Skip 2 in the next stitch, one single crochet, one double crochet cluster, four loops, yarn over and pull through all the loops. Once you reach the end, make a double crochet in the last stitch. Now chain 2 and turn your work. And now we'll be working in the spaces. Skip this first space and in this next space, one single crochet, one double crochet cluster, four loops, pull through all the loops. Now I'll make the next stitch in this next space, one single crochet, one double crochet cluster, one more time, four loops, pull through all the loops. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. Once you reach the end, make a double crochet in the last stitch, chain 2 and turn your work. Now keep repeating this round until you reach the size which you need. I'll show you one more round. Start the next stitch in this stitch, one single crochet, and cluster. One double crochet in the last stitch, chain 2 and turn your work. This is how the pattern will look. Three single crochets in this first stitch. That's the corner made. One single crochet in between this stitch, one single crochet in the next stitch. Now repeat this, one single crochet in each and every stitch, one single crochet on top of this cluster, one single crochet over here, once you reach the corner, make 3 single crochets over here. That's the corner made. Now continue with one single crochet in each and every stitch. Once you reach the end, make a slip stitch on top of this first single crochet. The last round, chain 2, one double crochet in the same stitch, 3 double crochets in this middle stitch, now continue with one double crochet in each and every stitch, and the corners in the middle stitch make 3 double crochets. And once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.